Push the same to the coastal region. This week we expect Kwale Sugar to start production. We also have, we've registered a project in Tana River. We are hoping the investors are going to come in place because the potential there is even much better than Kwale.
The sucrose when exactly we expect farmers to start reaping from it?
Currently, all our cane testing units have been calibrated, and we continue the calibration. The only challenge that we had in the past was adaptability of the new varieties. Now we also have a lot of government support towards changing the mode of payment. We are hoping by 2026 we should have started payment based on the sucrose content.
Sir, there's 600 million you are talking about.
Yes.
This 600 million is supposed to go towards research for
new adaptation of new varieties which mature early and they have a higher sucrose content. So those varieties, seed cane multiplication will be done by the Sugar Research Institute for those varieties that are early maturing and have high yields. And of course, there will be model farms where these varieties will be planted. Yeah, and then from there now, farmer awareness will be created, and we will work with the counties to ensure that they adopt these new varieties that would make economic sense.
So this money is from AFA?
The money is from the national government, the national treasury, and it was approved by parliament.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
So,
you.
yes.
203638.
Haya nyokar mungia juanga mano romo mabende dhi nyime, romo mabende obag kanyo koda Agriculture and Food Authority AFA mar mondo mi okel jokanyo mopogore opogore e bero sekta mar sukari e pacho kae. Kata kamano jofwambo mago e kaunti ma Kisumu luno chenro ma kamano. To mana kaka isewinjo kanyo nitiere okenge mopogore opogore midwa ket piny e bero sekta mar sukari e pacho kae. Wakaw yo mar ariyo waduogo kod twak e chenro mar mbako Romo. Kik idhi mabor.